I'm finally getting all of my plants put in the grow bags this afternoon, y'all. Titus grabbed some more of these little garden borders to go around his plants out there. I'm trying to decide where I want to put the grow bags. I love these flowers that we got yesterday. The orange ones are so pretty, and the pink. They're so pretty, they don't even look real. We got them from Walmart. I got these pillows for the rocking chairs too. I think they were $5. I could be wrong on that, but they were somewhere around $5. So they have the red plaid look on this side, and on this side it says Farm Fresh Strawberries, but for now, I just have them turned around like this. I'm gonna cut the tags off. Okay, there's that one. We'll go put this around his garden. Jonah's gonna help me bring the soil down and the plants. Oh, and he got these for his tomato plants too, because his are already getting pretty tall. We got 4 more of these. We probably should have gotten 5. We'll see. Maybe we can make 4 work, but they are the exact same. I couldn't remember if they were exactly the same ones. They're, I can't remember how much these are either. I'll pop it up on the screen.
Oh, like that little spot.
Yeah, I can scoot these over, I think, Manny. Yeah. When you put that tomato cage in, we can take out that little garden fork. We're doing a competition. We're gonna see who gets more tomatoes, me or Daddy. His are in the ground, mine are gonna be in grow bags. Isn't it fun?
Yeah. Let's all vote on who we thinks will do better.
Mama.
I think Mama's will do better. Daddy's.
These are 10-gallon grow bags. I'm just gonna roll the tops down a little.
Oh, can I help?
Hold that open for me while I dump it in, okay? You ready?
Yeah. Now do we flatten it out?
Yep, now we flatten it
Oh, can
out.
I do one flat?
Yeah, go ahead.
We need to flatten this stuff out good, don't we, Mama? I'm gonna wash my hands after this.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see. I think we'll do, this is gonna be the Jet Star.
Black cherry tomatoes?
Yeah, black cherry.
Nice.
I've got Cherokee Purple, Jet Star, black cherry, and then the peppers that we have over there are hot banana, and I think Titus got some Tabasco or cayenne pepper. He got cayenne.
Okay, time for me to take the whole out.
Very good. Which one are you planting? The black cherry?
Yeah.
Okay. Now these are the great tomatoes. That is hot banana peppers right there. It's time to cook supper now, and tonight is going to be find what you got in the freezer and cook at night. Because I'm getting groceries tomorrow, so I want to use up some of this stuff in the freezer. I have a stray hamburger steak. I'm going to make that for Titus because I had some extra hamburger meat one night from a recipe, so I just made it into a hamburger steak and put it in the freezer. We have chicken wings, the Better Goods brown sugar barbecue dry rub wings. These are my favorite chicken wings from the store, y'all. Well, this flavor isn't my favorite, but this brand, the Better Goods brand from Walmart. My favorite flavor is the garlic, is it garlic butter? Garlic something, that's my absolute favorite one, but this one's good too. It's the brown sugar barbecue. And we have Tyson grilled chicken strips. I got this to make chicken salads one night, and that's actually what we were gonna have tonight, just the chicken salads, because it was gonna be just me and Jonah and Cece and Manly here for supper because everybody else was working late. But now Titus and Tyler are gonna be here in time, so I need something more to make because this wouldn't be enough for everybody. So wings, grilled chicken, hamburger steak, salads, and we're gonna make some potato wedges. So we'll wash some potatoes, and then I'm just gonna slice them, leave the peeling on, and we'll put salt and pepper and olive oil on them. I might, oh yeah, you know what else I'll do? I'll put a little bit of this Montreal steak seasoning on them. It's great, especially on potatoes. So the wings I'm just gonna put on a pan and cook them in the oven with the potatoes. The grilled chicken strips and the hamburger steak I'm gonna cook on the stovetop. And I also need to make some tea. Go ahead and get that started real quick. So we got all the plants in the grow bags. Jonah did plant a few in the ground. Titus's cayenne peppers he put in the ground, and he planted himself a cayenne pepper plant. You joining in on the competition?
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot what I got that steak seasoning for. I got it for something. And I can't remember what it was. It wasn't for steaks, because Titus most of the time just likes his steaks with salt and pepper and a little olive oil on them, so I can't remember what I got it for. But it is really good. I'm gonna do some of these a little bit bigger because Titus likes for them to be really thick. I like for them to get nice and crispy in there. There goes the tea. So we'll just spray them with olive oil. We like to put this pink Himalayan salt on potatoes. Now some pepper. And some of this. I think it's, yeah, I need to open it. Okay, potatoes going in. For these chicken wings, you definitely want to coat your pan, or if you line it with foil, whatever, still coat it with some cooking spray, because if you don't, they will stick to it. Because you're going to flip them halfway through the cook time, and yeah, if you don't spray it, it's not pretty when you try to flip it. So they come just like this, and the rub is separate. You put it on after they cook. So if you don't even want to put this, you don't have to. What is that garlic one that I love? Garlic Parmesan, that's it. We got everything cleaned up. I had to do a little spot mop real quick. I've had a lot of people asking me about the mop. This is the Swiffer Power Mop. I've had it for several months now, and I'm still loving it, y'all. It's my favorite, you know, just quick spot mop, or sometimes I do the whole floor with it, but like, you know, if you want to do a really, really extreme mop, this, of course, isn't really for that. I mean, like if you're really wanting to scrub, but it's perfect for just quick mops, spot mops. If you just have a spill real quick that you need to clean up, it's perfect for that. I love it. I use it probably just about every day. But like I said, when you really want to do a good scrub, you just need like a regular, I like my Cedar Spin mop for that, but this one I use a lot more. Right now I'm using the fresh scent. There are 2 or 3 different scents. I know I have a lemon one too. Sorry, it's echoey in the laundry room. The lemon one is for wood floors, but I don't always switch it out when I switch from the tile to the wood, but you know, this one says for wood. But anyway, it's because I guess it's the quick dry formula, I guess. I don't know. But I think those are the only 2 scents so far. See, I don't know, there might be another one. Anyway, yeah, I got mine from Walmart, but I'm pretty sure places like Lowe's and Home Depot and stuff like that has them too. Here are the pads that you put on them. I use these probably for like 2 or 3 days because like I said, I just do spot mops and, you know, maybe just a quick mop of the whole floor, but they last for, you know, at least a few times. So when you put a new bottle in, you just put it right down in there. It's battery operated. You just pop it in. And then up here is the button where you press to spray the water, and it comes out of the little headlights. We call them headlights because the little things light up, and it squirts out the cleaner. I said water, but I meant cleaner, you know. It squirts out the cleaner, and then you mop. It's been my favorite quick mop that I've ever had so far. I really like it.